Sri Krishna, the eternal guide to love, wisdom, and dharma. Sri Krishna, revered as the eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu in Hinduism, is one of the most celebrated deities in Indian spirituality and culture. His life and teachings are recorded in sacred texts like the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita, and the Bhagavad Puran, where he is portrayed as a divine hero, a master strategist, a loving friend, and a universal teacher. Sri Krishna's influence extends far beyond religion, inspiring art, philosophy, and spiritual practice for millennia. His birth and early life. Sri Krishna was born over 5,000 years ago in Mathura during a time of political turmoil and training. His birth is celebrated as Sri Krishna Janmashtami, marking the night when he incarnated to vanquish evil and restore dharma. His parents, Devaki and Vasudeva, were imprisoned by the tyrannical king Kansa, who feared a prophecy that Devaki's eighth son would kill him. To protect Krishna, Vasudev secretly carried him across the Yamuna River to Gokul Nand Bhavan, where he was raised by Nanda and Yashoda as his own son. Krishna's childhood in Vrindavan is filled with enchanting tales of divine play that's called Leelas. He is famously depicted as a mischievous child, stealing butter, playing the flute, and endearing himself to the gopis, that cowherd women. These Leelas symbolize the bond between the soul and the divine, as well as Krishna's playful, loving nature. Sri Krishna's role in the Mahabharata. As an adult, Krishna played a pivotal role in the Mahabharata, one of the greatest epics of Indian history. He became a friend, a guide, and a charioteer to Arjuna, a warrior prince of the Pandavas. On the battlefield of Kurukshetra, when Arjun hesitated to fight against his own kin, Krishna delivered the Bhagavad Gita, a timeless spiritual discourse. The Bhagavad Gita, or Song of God, addresses profound questions about duty, life, and spirituality. Krishna teaches Arjuna about karma, selfless action, dhyan, that meditation, bhakti, that devotion, and janana, knowledge, arguing him to rise above personal attachments and fulfill his divine purpose. The Gita's wisdom continues to inspire spiritual seekers worldwide. Sri Krishna is a universal significance. Sri Krishna embodies the ultimate balance of worldly and spiritual ideals. As a ruler, he upheld justice and dharma. As a friend, he demonstrated loyalty and compassion. His philosophy transcends the barriers of time, race, and religion, advocating love, humility, and the unity of all beings. Sri Krishna is also worshipped in various forms and contexts, reflecting his multifaceted nature. As Gopal, he is the divine child. As Madhava, he represents the universal husband, and as Govinda, he is the protector of cows and nature. His teaching emphasized the importance of living a life aligned with truth, selflessness, and devotion to the Supreme. Sri Krishna's legacy, and devotion. Sri Krishna's life and teachings continue to resonate deeply within the hearts of millions. Festivals like Janmashtami and Holi celebrate his life and divine play. His presence in Indian music, dance, literature, and art reflects his eternal influence. Devotees across the world chant Hare Krishna, his name, with love, seeking his guidance and blessings. Sri Krishna, the epitome of divine wisdom and love, remains an eternal source of inspiration, reminding humanity and its divine potential and the path to liberation. Hope you liked this video. For more such spiritual videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Radhe Krishna.